Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. We are going to take a beautiful book, and we took the plastic cover off so that we're just left with the hardcover. We opened it about halfway and found some full pages of text, and then we drilled some holes down the spine, if you can look there. And then I took some Mod Podge and I put over top of the pages that are showing and along the side there where all the pages are gathered together, just so that it kind of holds things in place while we're working. I gave that a dry, and then I took this rice stem pick from Walmart. I love it. And I started placing some hot glue and two of those and kind of holding them in the shape of a V while it dried all along the spine of our book. And in the center, I had the tallest picks, and when I got closer to the top and bottom, I had the shorter ones. Now my drill holes, I started in the center and kind of worked my way out. I probably left 1.5 inches at the top and 1.5 inches at the bottom, just because of what I was doing and how I wanted it to look, but you could do whatever you like. Now those Dollar Tree ornaments are pretty bright silver. They're real shiny. So I took my silver leaf rub and buff and I actually covered them, and they do look a lot different, believe it or not. Same color, but just I wanted it toned down and more vintagey looking. So I did the rub and buff, and then I put the string and tops back on, and we hung 5 in our little branches here, and we glued 5 of them to the pages of the book. And I kind of tried to make it look like they were just sort of dropped and rolling all over, so they're in all different directions. And then I had some cute little mini scenes. One's a mom and daughter holding like a tree and a poinsettia. One's a little girl sitting with ducks in her little winter get-up. I had these tiny little I forget what they were called, but they're like gift toppers. So I did the gingerbread and the snowman on top of some of the ornaments. I hung some other ones through the branches, just whatever little trinkety type small stuff you have that you want to add. I also added 3 trees, or what I'm calling 3 trees. I had 3 different shapes, and I used them as trees, and I think they looked really cute. And then I used this glitter snow around the edges of the pages that are showing, and also around where all the other pages are gathered there on the sides. I put a lot of snow there too. I put some snow on top of some ornaments. There's our inspiration. It was actually an Easter piece. I thought it would be a very pretty Christmas piece. But I put some snow throughout the branches and ornaments as well, and this is how it turned out, you guys. It's on top of my bar cart in my dining room. I think it is stunning, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. We'll talk at you soon. Bye.